Hello, welcome to Joy's Kitchen, and we have a special guest tonight. And that would be the boss of Donald's the Best One, Barnard. Now, I'm going to ask you a couple questions. Do you like Joy's Kitchen?
Well, I kinda nah.
Pick a side, nah or no.
I don't know. It's
Like
in the middle
do
because some some of your the first episode you were kind of quiet, and it was hilarious because you couldn't find you weren't organized. Like the ketchup you were looking for, you should have just looked before the show happened on the air.
Joy's Kitchen, but you have to pick a side.
Time out the ketchup. There was no ketchup in the kitchen.
That's why I said to look at it.
That would be my fault.
I just have to say, just how
Pick a side, yes or no?
Not the first episode. Could have been a little more organized. Like the director could have looked for ketchup.
No, wait. I asked this for answering. Okay. Now, why do you not like Joy's Kitchen?
Just because you're quiet and your director needs to be a little more organized. Because some of the shows he does is pretty much organized.
Okay.
And I think he could have made it a little more organized.
Now, we'll be right back after this commercial. So what do you, this is the final question. What do you want to see on Joy's Kitchen?
Well, I want to see, more people. You serve them, hello, I'm Joey maybe, more, restaurant theme. For instance, hello, I'm Joey Provost. I'm going to be your waiter today. Want me to start you off with drinks? And, kind of like a restaurant kind of theme.
So let us do that.
Okay.
Okay, now we're going to move on to making your meal. Okay, we'll be right back after this commercial. Before we make Donald's food, there's 3 rolls. Wash your hands. Okay. Now clean the area. Sugar. Butter. People these days are disgusting. Banana. Celery stump can go in the cabinet. Sorry, my kid loves shake. You're joking. More bread, of course. So let's put Now we're going to cook this appetizer. What's Provost sticks? Okay. There we go. Nice little side. I'm on the plate. Looks like I'm ready. Here's the appetizer, sir. I'm going to cook him his meal while he eats his appetizer. So I'm going to cook him nice french fries, 2 handfuls, and 4 chicken. And let's get started. Now I can look at the french fries. And almost done. A little more. And we'll be right back after. French fries ready. Now our french fries are ready. Oops. 1 second. Now, chicken. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this french fries ready. Looking good. Okay, we'll be back after this. Check on them. Look well done to me. All the grease out. A lot of grease. Them. And there it is. There you go.
Thank you.
All set?
Yep, I'm done with that.
Want to take it away?
Sure.
Okay. Put this on the side. Thank you for going to my Joey's Kitchen.
You're welcome.
And thank you viewers for watching Joey's Kitchen.
And keep watching it.
And thank you to Eric, our producer / director for Joey's Kitchen. And goodbye to next night.
Oh yeah, watch Joey's Kitchen, yo.